Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am JC. If you are new here from Just Lost JC here or whatever. Okay, so this video is a bit different. I am transforming the resident Nollywood babe, the original, origini. Father? I did a hairstyle a while ago that I loved, and I showed it to my mom and she loved it too. So I was like, why don't I transform her into me? Or am I transformed into her? I mean, she was here first, so you know, whatever, technicalities. But I figured that I'd give her the same hairstyle. Also, this is her first time ever using crochet or having any kind of crochet hairstyle, so I think she's gonna be super surprised at how simple it is to do and how much less time consuming it is to get the look of individual salon done hair, but in your house for like 30 minutes, innit? So if you guys want to see that, continue to watch. All the links to the hair will be down below. I'm going to be using the individual method in the front and a more typical crochet pattern or crochet method in the back. Okay, so for this style, we're of course going to be using the hair that we got from Toyotress. So this is Toyotress's little logo that comes in the thing. It also comes with the hair, the twist, the spring twist, which these ones are an ombre version, which I'm excited about. And then it also comes with the needle. Okay, so I'm doing my mom's hair similarly to how I do my hair. So the front is going to be individual and the back is going to be the way you do a normal crochet. So in order to have that style, you want to have the front of your hair out and you want to have the back of your hair already corn braided. Okay, with the front of the hair you want to do individuals there, which means that I like to untwist the crochet twists, as you can see here. And then in the front for individuals, I like to divide each section that I'm going to have an individual twist in and braid it. You want to do 2 or 3 braids so it's very small in the front. As you can see with the first one that I did, you can see the small amount of braids it is, and I'm going to do that throughout the whole front of the head before I install the twists. With this one, I'm using my fingers to divide. Obviously, you can use a comb or something to divide as well. But you don't know me, yeah? I use my fingers for everything, even my makeup. So we're just gonna, it's my brand. So that's why I'm using it. But of course, if you want it neater, you can do what you need to do. So this is how it looks right here. When it is all done, you have everything separated and you braid just a bit of each of them, so that we can now put in the twists individually. Okay, so you want to take this and go underneath the braid, as you can see here. Then you take where the twist is half, or where the hair is, where the loop was in the crochet, close your needle like so, and then pull that through. Once you pull it through, as you can see, half in, half out, then you take 1/2 of the twists and pull it through this section. And once you have it like this, it's attached, so you don't have to do the whole crazy attachment method or whatever. It's already in there, and you just take this hair. I like to personally keep it all in one. Some people like to divide it and twist in both. I like to keep it in one, and since her hair is shorter, I think it'll be easier too to keep it in one. But yeah, you guys know me. I don't do breakage on this channel, okay? I try and keep my hair as safe as possible. And so I feel like keeping your own natural hair together to one side of the twist will help in keeping it the least likely to get breakage and all that, because it's all together. That's just my thing, but listen, whatever works for you. And then you just twist it down, like you see me doing here, like you do a regular twist. The one thing about this are these are spring twists, so they're supposed to be a bit shorter than they can stretch to. So when I'm stretching or when I'm twisting, you want to twist loosely, because if you twist loosely, then the hair won't be as stretched and it'll be as short as it's supposed to be, if that makes sense. Because the ones that you're attaching in the back, you're attaching normally, so they're going to be a short length, so you don't want the ones in the front to be super long, or it's just not going to be matching up. So when you twist your hair in, twist as loosely as possible, and then when you get to the ends, definitely twist as loosely as possible. I'm going to show you one more close-up and then get the rest off camera. So again, you have the section here, the braid. You want to take your needle, stick it through like so, have it open, then take one of your twists and hook it in Once it's through, make sure it's about the same length, and then you want to take the hair that is your natural hair right here, put it to one side and twist it in like that. Remember to twist loosely so that you don't stretch this spring twist out too much. So now we have these two done. I'm going to do the rest off camera and then be back. For the back of the hair, this part is a bit of a tricky one, so I'm going to do it the same way that I usually do mine. But because she already corn braided her hair, it's actually going to be a lot flatter. So instead of using thread to secure the end, I'm just going to braid across from one side to the other. So braiding the ends of each braid together as its own braid going to the side. And then when I finally get to the other side and I'm trying to connect the hang time, obviously if your hair is shorter, you might not have any, but because her hair is longer, I have to somehow connect it on top. So again, I'm trying to use the no thread method. So I decided to use the crochet needle to go underneath one of the braids. And what you want to do here is pass just one side of the 3 sections. So when you have a braid, you have 3. Pass one side underneath one of the cornrows that you have, and then braid a normal braid outside of the cornrow, so it's just securing it in place. So for her, it was a bit simpler to do, luckily, because her hair ends right where we need it to. But if your hair is longer, like mine, I've had to braid it and then tuck the excess in a bit more. But it's fine, because once you start crocheting, you could crochet over it. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you guys are able to see what I did. If you use a different method, that's fine too. Whatever method that you use to usually crochet, you can do in the back here. It should all work. And then I use the regular crochet needle and crochet the back like normal, like you usually crochet, and that's usually very quick to do. So of course, when you're crocheting as normal, you just take your needle, pass it under the braid, any section, you keep the twist the same, you don't have to untwist it, hook it in to the loop, and then pull the twist through. This is how the back looks, as you can see. I actually didn't do that much because she wants it more of a lighter weight thing, and these twists are super lightweight, right? Do they feel heavy?
Yes.
Yeah, super
very light.
Yeah, and she likes like light hair. Plus it's summer, guys. It's hot, okay? Let me tell you. So yeah, so I don't have that much, but you can see it covers up the parts unless you separate it pretty well. So this is the back. One and done, honey. Okay. Alright, this is it. Okay, so this is how it looks finally, all one and done. We used 4 packs, and 4 packs kind of, we still have like 3 left from the pack, so I would say 4 packs. So you can see it looks full, it looks nice. Let's do a slight side view of it. Okay, honey? Yes. Alright, and that is it. Now I'm gonna show, I guess you could see it yourself. To see yourself.
Oh, this is nice.
You like it?
Yeah. This is
and it's very
nice
lightweight.
and very light. I can get here into my head. Wow, this is so nice.
You transformed you into a Nollywood baby.
Yeah, and the color is so nice.
Yeah, I think it really suits you.
Yeah,
this color actually.
So nice.
So you see what I'm talking about in the front, like how it looks like you did the whole hair this way, but really, yeah.
This is so nice.
You like it?
Yes.
Yay! This is your first time, right, doing
this
crochet.
is my first time doing crochet.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it this way, coming down both sides.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Okay, yay. I'm glad. Very lightweight. I know how you are. I know how she is. She loves lightweight stuff.
Oh my God!
Yeah, so I'm glad. It is, okay? And now we cannot forget the final step. We have to have, you guys know, gotta oil the scalp, help that hair growth. My mom is also into the scalp oiling and hair growth, so if you guys are interested in this oil, definitely check the link down below for the OMALICHILD oil. I love this, the nozzle, the way the nozzle is pointed, so you could just stick it in. Even with the braids in the back, you could just stick right into the scalp.
And you can use it on your normal hair. I used it. That's what I use on my hair before you start braiding.
Yeah.
It's not sticky. It doesn't make you hot.
Yeah. That's so many people say that too about it. Like very lightweight.
Yeah, lightweight.
But gets the job done. Always got to put the edges, even though she's a part of the edgeless community is what I call it. That's what I say. Me and her have like thinner, what's this called? Temples, which is natural. So, but still, put it in there. And then you guys know me. I love to scalp massage. Let me try it with you. What I like to do is turn my head upside down. So good like this, like up like this. Do that. Yeah, you guys know. To help the blood rush to the scalp. That's what I do. It's called the inverted method. So you let it rush to the scalp, you massage and press your scalp so you get the blood there. Yeah, this is the secret sauce, okay, to get your hair growing. That's how I do it. I like a firm massage, so you know, get some pressure. Good. Yeah, get some pressure in there with the oil, and the way the oil smells is very minty, so this is how I do it 2 to 3 times a week. And then boom, get the head back up before you pass out. And that's it. We are done. Nice. Okay, so that is that for my video. Thank you so much for being in my video. Again, the links for this hair are going to be down below. Toyotress, I actually really do love working with them. I love their hair, very great quality. And I'm glad that I got to try it on my mom to transform her into a Nollywood babe. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Of course, you can follow me on Instagram if you're interested. We do a lot of mediocre content there, I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? And you can also follow OMALICHILD on Instagram as well. Again, you can purchase an oil if you're interested in a hair growth oil from the site. It will be linked down below. Definitely go check it out. See all the ingredients. See the way it helped me transform my hair, and it's transforming many people's hair out there, but also in my family, okay? Okay, cool. All right. Bye, guys.